Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the software engineering subject. Subject code is 18CS35 and module number 1 we will be going to start about the computer software engineering. Okay. In the introduction I am going to tell something about how the software engineering is started and what are the importance of that software engineering and what are the problems that is there behind that particular software, and when we will be going to do the projects, how the software engineering is going to help us to proceed to the start to the end. Okay, there are so many modules are there, so many functionalities are there. Those things are going to be discussed in this particular software engineering subject. So we'll be going to see in the introduction, then software development, then we have the ethics and some of the case studies. Okay, this particular module consists of 3 chapters basically. One is an introduction, in that professional software development is there, ethics and case studies are there. Then secondly, software processes. In this there are so many modules are there. Then the process activities are going to be considered in this, and in the chapter 4 that we have requirements engineering. So from here only that software engineering concept starts. Okay, so requirements engineering, which tells about the complete history, we can say. It is going to start from the beginning. So based on the requirements, all the developments are going to be starts, and at the end we'll be going to get the end product. After that also we have some maintenance things are going to be present for the project. Let us see one by one. Software crisis, basically. What do you mean by software crisis and need for software engineering? So when we deals with the software crisis is nothing but problems. We are having so many problems with the softwares. One of the best example for this is there is a Y2K problem. Every industry that has been faced, not only industry, we have whole world faced this particular problem. So Y2K problem is nothing but when they have started with the banking sectors and all, that time some projects, software projects, that time they have mentioned only for the year, only YY they have mentioned, means DDMMYY will be there, only YY they have mentioned. So what happened basically is, from the 19th century that it is started, so what happened is when it came 1999, 2000 is appeared. So when 2000 appeared, instead of 2000, okay, year 2000, it has been mentioned in that is 00. So whole concept is been wrong. Okay, it went back to the 00. It is going to start from the beginning year. So most of the companies they have faced all these problems, and they have rectified later, but it has been created a lot of problems in the industry. And another problem is, you might have heard about the Scud missiles. Okay, there is a war was there between US and Iraq. That time there was Scud missiles as well as patriotic missiles. For the Scud, patriotic is the defending missile it is. So when that missile was launched, it was not targeting properly. The Scud, for the Scud missiles, Patriot missiles have not been so much accurate the targets. So what happened is so many US soldiers have been killed because of that. The problem with that is a simple thing, that is the software which it is going to target to the Scud missiles, it was not happening properly. Small error that it leads to this particular problem. Okay. Similarly, there are so many incidences are there, even flights Okay, then one flight which is flying, so a huge cost. It is basically flights are going to be get manufactured. One screw over there, and that because of some problems, okay, software problems, it has been not navigated properly and it get crashed. Okay, then one more is this, what is that, northeast blackout day, that is 2003 it has happened. So there are 100 power plants were there, and suddenly that is shut down. Okay. There are 50 million customers have faced this particular problem, power problems, and so many financial crises that has happened. $110, okay, crores dollars have been initiated with that. Then 6 billion amount has been crashed. We used to say that lost by the company. Okay, and we had some more, that is there is a rocket was there. Okay, Ariane rocket, Ariane space rocket. It is $7,000 billion, okay, million dollars they have spent for 10 years. When it has been launched, within a 1 minute that has been crashed. Reason was it was a guiding system. There is a rocket guiding system software was there, and some problem was there in that. It has been, because of that it has been crashed. So like that, so many instances are there for the crisis. Okay. So that is what crisis is nothing but software flaws. It is going to be, that is going to be present in this softwares. So that's why even whenever that you'll be going to have some products, you'll be going to develop some products, that time immediately what happens basically is it is not going to be get released to the market. So they'll be going to test a lot of time, then after only that is getting released to the market, so that the prices are going to get less compared to the if you are not going to test properly, so more it is going to be present in that. Okay. What is the need of software engineering basically is, why we need this? By creating the softwares, we will be going to have the time and space. Okay, time and space are going to be increasing. Space is going to get reduces, and time is going to be also going to be get reduces. So whatever we are going to do it, that is in the form of a software and a soft copy, that will be going to keep it. Okay. So for this we need software engineering study is going to be having build, design, develop, maintain and retire. These stages are going to be there for that. First it is going to get built, then it is going to get designed, development, then maintenance of that product, finally it comes to the retirement. Okay. So that is going to be one more thing is that software engineering is well versed with the software development processes. What do you mean by this? Software development processes, basically there are so many things are there. There is a requirement stage, design stage, then we have coding, then testing, finally the maintenance. So these 5 stages are going to be the processes of software development things. So here every engineers will be well versed with this particular tasks basically. Okay. The importance of the software engineering is that it needs almost every industry is required, every business is required, every functions that it is going to be required for this. It means to say that now in the pandemic situation, everybody is working from home. How? So it is internet is there. Okay, they are going to develop the products by sitting in the home only. Okay, only the thing is that task, whatever that it has been, they are going to do it in the office, they are going to do it from the home. Only that is the difference. Rest everything is going to be same. Rest everything is going to be same. Only thing is that what they are doing over there, same thing they will be going to do it from the home. It is okay. It becomes more important as time goes. It is true. It is okay. Our application portfolio quick and efficient